In this world, constantly buzzing with noise, opinions, and endless chatter, there's a profound power hidden in the art of silence, a power often overlooked in our haste to be heard. This message isn't about withdrawing from the world, but rather about the strength and wisdom found in choosing our moments of silence wisely. Imagine for a moment you're at a crossroads in your life. Voices from every direction offer advice, opinions, and judgments. In these moments, the decision to step back and embrace silence isn't just an act of restraint. It's a bold statement of self-awareness. It's in these pockets of quiet that we find clarity and understanding, where the noise of the world fades away and our true inner voice becomes clear. Now consider the times we speak without thinking. Words, once spoken, can never be taken back. They have the power to uplift or to wound, to inspire or to discourage. Silence, on the other hand, is like a blank canvas, holding limitless potential, unmarred by hasty words or ill-considered opinions. It's a powerful tool, a sanctuary where wisdom can take root and flourish. In the tapestry of our daily interactions, it's often the moments we choose not to fill with words that speak the loudest. Silence can convey understanding, empathy, and respect. It allows others the space to express themselves, to share their thoughts and feelings without interruption. By listening, truly listening, we offer a gift more valuable than any words. Think about the conversations that have left a lasting impact on you. Often, it's not the words that were spoken, but the moments of shared silence that linger in our memory. In those quiet moments, a deeper connection is formed, one that transcends the need for words. It's a connection born of mutual respect and understanding, a silent acknowledgement of the shared human experience. Moreover, silence is a reflection of confidence. It shows a comfort in one's own thoughts, an inner peace that doesn't need constant external validation. In silence, we find the courage to look inward, to confront our own fears and doubts without the distraction of outside noise. It's in these moments of introspection that true growth happens, where we learn about ourselves and the world around us. The decision to remain silent, then, is not a passive one. It's an active choice, a strategic tool that, when used wisely, can open doors to deeper understanding and more meaningful connections. It's about knowing when to speak and when to listen, recognizing that sometimes the most powerful thing we can say is nothing at all. As we navigate the complexities of life, let us remember the strength found in silence. Let it be a reminder to pause, to reflect, and to choose our words with care. For in the quiet moments, away from the noise and haste, lies the key to understanding, connection, and inner peace. Let us embrace the power of silence, not as a retreat from the world, but as a bridge to deeper, more meaningful interactions. GPT. In our journey through life, amidst the hustle and bustle of our daily routines, we often forget the art of truly listening. Listening, in its truest form, is an art that enriches not only our own lives, but also the lives of those around us. It's an art that fosters understanding, builds relationships, and creates a foundation for growth and change. Imagine a world where everyone spoke and no one listened. Such a world would be chaotic, filled with noise, but devoid of understanding. Now, consider the power of listening, the profound impact it can have on our personal and professional lives. When we listen, truly listen, we open ourselves up to new perspectives, new ideas, and new opportunities for growth. Listening is more than just hearing the words that are spoken. It's about understanding the emotions behind those words, the stories they tell, and the experiences they convey. It's about connecting with the speaker on a deeper level, showing empathy and compassion. When we listen with intent, we give the speaker a gift, the gift of being heard, understood, and valued. Think of the times you felt truly listened to. How did it make you feel? Valued, respected, understood. This is the power of listening. It creates a space where people feel safe to express themselves, to share their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment or interruption. In this space, relationships flourish, trust is built, and true communication takes place. Listening also plays a critical role in our personal growth. It allows us to learn from others, to see the world through different lenses. Each person we meet, each story we hear, enriches our understanding of the world. By listening, we open ourselves up to new knowledge, new insights, and new ways of thinking. We become better equipped to navigate the complexities of life, to make informed decisions, and to understand the people and the world around us. In the realm of leadership, the value of listening cannot be overstated. Great leaders are not just great speakers. They are great listeners. They understand that to lead effectively, one must first understand the needs, concerns, and aspirations of those they lead. By listening, leaders build trust, inspire loyalty, and create a culture of openness and collaboration. They recognize that the best solutions often come from the collective wisdom of the group, not just the insights of one individual. Moreover, listening is a tool for conflict resolution. In moments of disagreement or misunderstanding, the instinct is often to defend our position.